Hello students, I hope you all are fine. Today we will start our new chapter, sitting arrangement. Okay, in the sitting arrangement what we have to do means the position of any object or a person is given to us. We have to make them seated, means we have to arrange the position of the object or of any person. Okay, so this sitting arrangement is of three types, means first is linear arrangement, another is circular arrangement, means we have to arrange in a line like this. This is the line. Circular arrangement means we have to make them seated in a circle. Okay, and last is the polygonal arrangement. Okay, so today we will do only first type, that is linear arrangement. In the linear arrangement, the person and the objects are required to be seated in one straight line. Means हमें उसको कहाँ पे सेट करना है, एक स्ट्रेट लाइन में हमें उनको सिटिंग करनी है, उनको बिठाना है, उनको प्रॉपर पोजीशन एलोकेट करनी है. ओके, so this is linear arrangement is of two types. One is one row sequence, another is two row sequence. Means suppose we have to make them seated in one row. We have to make them seated in one row. Okay, sometime we have to make them seated in two rows, like this, one more row. Okay, so first we will discuss here one row sequence. Means if we have to make them seated in one row, how to do the arrangement. Okay, so this is the one row in which I have wrote here 5 points. That means 5 objects, or you can say 5 persons are there. I am giving the name to them, A, B, C, D, E. Okay, so here this is the left end, this is left end, this is the right end. As our left will be their left and our right will be their right. Or we can say this is extreme right end, we can say this is extreme right end, and this is extreme left end. Okay, so means when they will tell the position, they can say E is seated at the extreme right end. So you will make the E seated here. Okay, and the middle, sometime they will tell you the middle position. C is having the middle position. So this is the, because 2 is there, this is the middle position. Okay, in the one row sequence, sometime they will not tell you any direction, means in which direction they are facing. उनका face किस direction में है वो ये mention नहीं करेंगे. So in that case you will take your direction, means your left will be their left and your right will be their right. Means you will imagine that they are facing to north. आप उसको imagine कर लेंगे कि उनका face भी किस side है, north में, because we have done the directions north, then east, north, south, east, west. We have done these directions. Yes. So if direction is not given, we always take the, means they are facing to north side. In that case our left will be their left, our right will be their right. Okay, if the directions are mentioned, okay, so suppose they are saying they are facing to the opposite direction of your facing, means जो हमारा face है उसके opposite में उनका face है. My face is on that side to the north, so their face is not to north, their face is south, because opposite to our face. If they are facing to this direction, in that case our left, जो हमारा left है, that will be their right, and our right will be their left, और this will be front. ये उनका front हो जाएगा. Got it? How? Because in that case, suppose they are facing to opposite of us. अगर हमारे face के opposite है, so in that case my face is to that direction, in that direction, but their face is opposite of that, means like that and like this. So now अब क्या हो जाएगा? This is my left. So ये मैंने ये लिखा है, this is my left and this is my right. Got it? Okay. If direction is mentioned opposite to our direction, so in that case right will be left, left will be right. Otherwise you will consider your direction, means if direction is not mentioned we will take our direction, left will be left, right will be right. So this is the one row sequence. Okay, and I also told you when directions are mentioned, okay, After that, two rows arrangement, two row sequence. In the two row sequence, we have to remember few points here. Suppose one row is this and one row is this. Here is 5 persons, or you can say object. Okay, so this is A, B, C, D, E. This is suppose this is F, G, H, I, J. Okay, so these are the object. Means ये तो मैं आपको बता रही हूँ कि ऐसे उनका अरेंजमेंट है. So they will tell you some information about that. कुछ information given होगी, उससे हमें ये अरेंजमेंट ऐसे उनको सेट करना है. Okay, so what will be the position of the B? Position of the B is opposite of G. Opposite of G. What is the position of G? This is the opposite of B. Okay, so these are the opposite to each other. Or sometime they can say C is in the middle of first row, H is in the middle of second row, so you can make them seated here. हो जाएगा. After that, this is also opposite. Okay, and this is also the opposite. One way is this, means they will tell the opposite of each other. वो opposite बता देंगे कि A's opposite is F. Okay, then where A will sit it, we have to think about this. This is the left, or we can say extreme left. In the first row at the extreme left end A is there, so हम A को यहाँ पे arrange कर देंगे. This is the extreme right, and here look at here, I'm rubbing this now. They are saying there is two row and they are facing to each other. Means their faces are to this direction. Okay, and their faces to that direction. Okay, in most of cases this will be the situation. So this row is clear to us, means because our face is also to that direction, so this will be the left and this will be the right. Okay, but in this our face is opposite of that means here will be the right and here will be left. Understand? But in this this will be the left and this will be the right for all the persons, for all the objects. Okay, means in the lower row, that is very simple, our left will be their left, right will be their right. But at the top row, if they are facing to each other, अगर उनके face एक दूसरे की side हैं, then in that case, because their faces to this direction, or you can say to that direction like this. So now क्या हो जाएगा? ये उनका क्या हो जाएगा? Left. So this is left and this is right. And in this is left and this is right. Now we will solve some problems related to this. Okay. Now we will solve some problems related to this. Okay. So first question, first example I have taken here. 6 persons are sitting in a row. They are A, B, C, D, E and F. These are the name of that persons. C is not sitting beside D. C is not seated beside D means and D who is sitting on extreme right, means after D one line is attached. C is not seated beside D means D के साथ C नहीं है. What about D? D कौन है? Who is sitting on the extreme right means जो extreme right पे बैठा हुआ है. Okay, so first we will do this arrangement. How many persons are there? There are 6 persons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so here D who is seated on extreme right. So who's here? Here is D. Okay, now C is not seated beside D means C यहाँ पे नहीं आएगा. Yes. Okay. After that E is between A and C. E is between A and C. इस लाइन से हमें क्या पता चला यहाँ से? Means E is seated between A and C. ए एंड सी के बीच में कौन बैठा है? ई। ओके, एक पॉइंट हमें ये मिल गया, मीन्स ए, ई एंड सी ये तीनों साथ में बैठेंगे। ओके, और कैसे हो सकता है? ऐसे भी हो सकता है सी, ई एंड ए, दिस टू आर द पॉसिबिलिटी, मीन्स ओनली E will be in the center. E को बीच में बिठाना है, whether A is on that side or C on that side. This is not mentioned here. Okay. So हम ये दोनों cases लेके चलेंगे यहाँ पे. After that, B is okay. After that, A is not sitting beside F and D. F and D के साथ A नहीं है. यहाँ पे A भी नहीं है. यहाँ A भी नहीं आएगा आपको. Okay. इन्होंने बोला यहाँ पे A is not sitting beside F and D. F and D. Where is F? F की अभी हमें कोई लोकेशन पता नहीं चली है. ओके, मीन्स F को आप यहाँ नहीं रख सकते और F को आप यहाँ नहीं रख सकते. Got it? In this case आप F को यहाँ रख सकते हैं. ओके, and in this case also you can put F here. ओके, ऐसा आप कर सकते हैं. लेकिन read the next line. Okay, F will not come from here. F will not come with the A. A के साथ F नहीं आएगा. Okay, लेकिन do next. B is between F and D. B is between F and D. B is between F and D. F and D. D is there, so here will be B, and here will be F. Now B is between F and D. F and D. Now we know one more point ये. Yes, F को जब लास्ट में बिठाना है, so this sequence will be fit A, E and C, then F, because F cannot sit with A. Okay, so I hope you understand this. I'm explaining this again. C is not sitting beside D. C को यहाँ नहीं बिठाना है मुझे. Okay. D is seated at the extreme right. D को वहाँ पे आपने उसको अरेंज किया. Now E is between A and C. So यहाँ से ऐसा हो सकता है कि A E C हो जाए, A E C या C E A. इन या तो आप ऐसे अरेंज कर सकते हो या ऐसे. But which one is the correct? ये भी हम नहीं बोल सकते. Okay. A is not sitting beside F and D. A को F and D के साथ नहीं बिठाना है. A यहाँ पे है तो यहाँ पे F नहीं आएगा. Means F को आप पीछे रख सकते हो. यहाँ पे A है तो F यहाँ पे इस साइड आ सकता है, नॉट ऑन दैट साइड, बिकॉज ये तो फिक्स है, ये फिक्स है, इतना तो आएगा. ओके, इनमें से कोई एक आएगा. सो अब ये भी कंफर्म हो गया कि अगर ये वाला आएगा तो F उधर होगा और अगर ये वाला आएगा तो F इधर हो सकता है. नाउ B इज बिटवीन F एंड D. हमें D की पोजीशन पता है. यस, सो B को सेंटर में बिठाना है, F को उधर रखना है. नाउ दिस सीक्वेंस इज करेक्ट. सो दिस इज आवर आंसर. व्हाट वाज द क्वेश्चन? हु इज इमीडिएट राइट ऑफ A? A के इमीडिएट राइट में कौन है? Who is that? E. So our answer is E. Our answer is E. Okay. Now question number example second. In the example 2, what they have given to us, 5 persons. You will use pictorial graph to solve this type of प्रॉब्लम. मीन्स आपको ये सिटिंग अरेंजमेंट करना ही पड़ेगा. ओनली इन दैट केस यू कैन गेट योर आंसर, अदरवाइज यू आर नॉट एबल टू सोल्व दिस. 5 persons A, B, C, D and E are sitting in a row facing north. Okay, so this is our row. 5 persons are there, A, B. Okay, we will not tell the name because we don't know their position. अभी positions नहीं पता है, but we know that they are facing to north. North is that, you know that, north, east, here will be west and this is south. So north is that direction, means to that direction. So I'm also facing to that direction. That means this is left and this is right. Okay, now read the further information. Such that D is on left of C. D is on left of C, means D कहाँ पे है? C के लेफ्ट में. ओके, D फर्स्ट पॉइंट मेरे को क्या मिला? D is on the left of C, but we don't know the position of anyone. अभी नहीं पता तो we will not put there. D is on left of C. ओके, C के लेफ्ट में D हो गया. B is on right of E. ई के राइट में कौन है? बी। ई के राइट में कौन है? बी। ओके, सो दिस इज आवर सेकंड, ये भी ऐसा भी होगा। ए इज ऑन राइट ऑफ सी, ए इज ऑन राइट ऑफ सी। सी की पोजीशन मुझे ये पता थी, ये कंफर्म है कि ये दोनों ऐसे ही आएंगे, पहले डी आएगा फिर सी आएगा। दे आर सेइंग ए इज ऑन राइट ऑफ सी, सी के राइट में, सी के राइट में कौन है बेटा? ए। कौन है? ए। नाउ बी इज ऑन द लेफ्ट ऑफ डी, और डी के लेफ्ट में कौन है? डी के लेफ्ट में कौन है? बी। डी के लेफ्ट में कौन है? बी। सो व्हाट इज डी के लेफ्ट में कौन है? बी। ओके, सो अभी मुझे पता है ए सी डी, डी के बाद कौन आएगा? बी, और बी के बाद कौन आएगा? ई। ओनली 5 मेंबर्स आर देयर, सो यहाँ पे आप ए को बैठाएंगे, सी डी, डी के बाद कौन आने वाला है? बी, एंड आफ्टर बी वी नो ई। ओके, ओके, बी इज ऑन द लेफ्ट ऑफ डी, बी इज ऑन द लेफ्ट ऑफ डी। ओके, दिस इज कंफर्म। इफ ई occupies a corner position, E को मैंने ऑलरेडी, ये इंफॉर्मेशन की नीड भी नहीं थी हमें, फिर भी हमने E को ऑक्यूपाइज करा दी कॉर्नर पोजीशन। इफ E occupies a corner position then who is sitting in center, ये कॉर्नर पोजीशन पे है। आफ्टर अरेंजिंग दिस you will check all these points again, आप इनको दोबारा से कंफर्म करेंगे। D is on the left of C, C के लेफ्ट में D है, ओके कंफर्म। B is on the right of E, E के राइट में B है, E के राइट में B है, कंफर्म। A is on the right of C, C के राइट में A है, C का राइट इज दैट A। B is on the left of D, B D के लेफ्ट में है, yes। Now this is at the corner position, okay। What we have to tell? We have to tell who is in the center. So 5 was there, so this is in center, this is the middle position. So our answer is D, our answer is D. Now the example 3 and 4. In the example 3, there are 5 houses P, Q, R, S, T. P is right of Q means how many? There are 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So first point is P is right of Q. P is right of Q means Q will be here and to the right of that will be P. T is left of R and right of P. Right of P. T is right of P and T is left of R. R के left में, R के left में T है। Now Q is right of S. Q is right of S means S Q. Q is right of S, so here will be S. So only 5 are there. So what will be the arrangement? This will be the arrangement. Which house is in middle? P. Which house is in middle? P. Now the question number 4 statement is very long because here we have to make them seated in the 2 row. हमें उनको 2 row में बिठाना है. So I'm rubbing this first. Okay. So we will move point wise, one by one. Okay. So here first is, the question is 8 persons A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H are sitting in 2 rows opposite to each other. Means there are 2 row. Okay, so make 2 row here. In each row there are 4 persons. Okay, in each row there are 4 persons. So what are the points? First point is this: 4 persons. B and C are sitting in front of each other. Means B and C, they are in front of each other. Okay. Now this point is C is between D and E. C is between D and E, like this, or you can say like this. Like this means whether D will be on the left and on whether D will be on the right. Okay, so these two can be there. Okay, after that this point is clear. C is between D and E. C is between D and E. Okay, next is H is sitting to immediate left of E. E के immediate left में, E का immediate left. Here is E. There is no left because in this at the left there is C. So that means this arrangement will be successful. And here H is to sitting to the immediate left of E. So here will be H. Here will be H. Now in one row, these are confirmed. These are confirmed. Yes. So here will be H. Here will be E. Okay. And here will be C and then D. And opposite of C is B. Okay. So H and F are diagonally opposite. H and F are diagonally opposite. H and F, diagonally means diagonal, like this. So H and F are diagonally opposite. H and F are diagonally opposite. Okay. So G and B are not near to each other. G and B means G will not come here, there will not. So G will here, because that is not near to B. Now who is in front of A? A के front में कौन है? Who's left here? A is left. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. All are seated. So who is in front of A? A के front में कौन है? E. So this is our answer. So you have to do practice at home. Thank you class. Have a nice day.